Your customers are unique, and your customers come to you because you are the right lighting person. So, let's light places the right way. Our DSD Downlight is the right priced option for serious, quality grade lighting. Pick your dimming needs with a 120 volt Triac ELV option or a 0 to 10 volt 120 to 277 volt option. Smooth as butter dimming and true edge to edge illumination. A diffused lens and trim that blends seamlessly into the ceiling plane, reducing glare and leaving only pure, unequivocally beautiful, wow-worthy, unforgettable, and atmospherically complementary lighting. Design the right way, light the right way, and deliver to your multifamily and residential customers the right way with the right surface mount downlight. Available now for samples, stocking distributors, and quick ship options. SLG Lighting, your experience matters.